Alright guys, here's a quick tutorial on how to update your FAQ list. I won't actually show you how to get back to the customized theme section because by the time you watch this video, you should understand how to get to the customized theme section. I will verbalize it. All you do is go to online store, you look to the right side of your screen, you select customize, and you'll end up here. Easiest way to navigate through your pages, as shown on previous videos, you click the drop down button here. You look for the page that you're trying to update. I'm trying to update FAQs. I select FAQs. It shows me the FAQ page. The backend page doesn't show the correct opacity, so it won't show the same way it will show on the live site, but you can change the text and update the section here. So now that I switched FAQs here, the FAQ section popped up here. I select FAQs. I can change the color. I can change the second color. I can change the fonts. I can do whatever I want to do. If I want to have a darker black on here, I can have a darker black. If I want a lighter black, etc. So you should have seen this part by now, so you know how to kind of navigate here. If the FAQ doesn't work for them, you can select here into contact us, contact page. Go to pages, and attach it to the contact us page. So if they can't find their question, then it will contact them. As you notice, the words turn black, but once I save it on the live site, everything will show correctly. All right, to add a FAQ, you click add FAQ. Question is how good is your hair? Boom. And then you would put what you want to put here as the answer. And then if you scroll down to the right, you basically just take your cursor, scroll over to the right, and it shows you the FAQ here. And then you just hit save. Make sure you save it. All right, and that's it. That's how you add a FAQ. If you want to drag one on top of the other, you can drag the FAQs and it'll show in the order that you want it to show. Select this arrow to bring the FAQ up. So if you want one to go down, you click it, it goes down. You click it, goes down. Click it, goes back up. Click it, goes down. Click it, it goes back up. All right, that's how you add FAQs. You can add another FAQ and you can keep adding FAQs. I think we have it maxed out at about 10 to 12 FAQs. After that, they'll select email us. It may be up to 14, not 100% for sure. But I'm going to save that. Boom, and that's it. That's how you add an FAQ to your website.